Today I'm going to give you guys an Amazon FBA business update. Up until now, it's about 6 months into the year, so I'm going to be breaking down my sales, how much money I've made, how many products am I selling, and what my plans are with Amazon in the future, so stay tuned. What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a full-time multiple six-figure Amazon seller, and in today's video what I want to do is open up the curtains and break down and give you guys an Amazon FBA business update. So today is June 29th, so we're 6 months into the year, and I'm going to show you my sales, how much money have I made, how many products am I selling to date, what my plans are with Amazon in the future, and answer some of the most common questions that I get when it comes to my own personal FBA business. So let's dive into my seller account. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to go down and hit the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, leave a thumbs up, like this video, share it with a friend. I would really appreciate it. So let's dive into my seller account. And as you guys can see right here, we're in Amazon Seller Central. And what I did is I did year to date. So I'll go right here, year to date, June 29th. I'll hit apply. And as you guys can see right here, $304,000 year to date. So that's 6 months in at a 30% profit margin. That is just over $90,000 in profit within my Amazon FBA business. So I'm really happy about that. I started off really slow January and February, and then March, April, and May just picked up. I mean, if you, for example, I'll just kind of show you guys, I'll just be very transparent. We'll go to custom. I'll show you guys what I did for the month of, for example, January. So January, we'll go to January, we'll go to February 1st, we'll hit apply, and in 1 month, 34,000. Now that's great, but what happened is my business just started taking off, and I started ranking and really pushing my product and really scaling my business. And so I really just skyrocketed. For example, we'll go to like April. It's not, oh, I need to change this first. We'll go to April, we'll go to May 31st, and what am I doing? I can't even work my computer. April 1st. So in 2 months, I did 138,000. So as you can see, I really have scaled my business. I've really made some improvements. I've made some adjustments. I've learned a ton along the way. I've been selling on Amazon since the end of 2017. And a lot of people ask how many products I have. And to answer that, I have a total of 5 products, 5 different products, and then I have variations on those 5 products. So 5 products, and then I have like different designs as variations. I have quantities, so instead of like a 4-pack, I have an 8-pack, or instead of a 2-pack, I have a 3-pack. And so I've done it, so I've built around those products with variations. I've built a brand. That's another question that I get is, are you building a brand? What's your strategy? And my strategy is simple. I had 2 winning products. They were completely different from each other, and what I did with those 2 winning products is that I've built around them. I've trademarked one brand and I've trademarked the other, and so I'm just building around that brand and then building around another brand. They're 2 separate, but it has worked really great. So that's kind of my strategy with that. Then, as you guys know, if you've been following me, I'm in the process of building a second brand with a second seller account that's going to be completely separate. So a lot of people have been asking me what's my strategy behind that, and it's quite simple. It's not throwing all my eggs in one basket. Got 2 seller accounts. This is also a different brand. It's completely separate from my first account, and if I want to exit, for example, if I want to sell that, then I can completely sell it because it's completely separate. It's a different entity. It's a different product line. And that was kind of my thought process behind it. Also, if something happens to my main seller account, I have another seller account. So that's kind of what my strategy is right now. And that's what I'm trying to go and basically accomplish in the future is my goal here in the next, by the end of the year, I would love to be hitting 100,000 per month. So that would be like 1.2 million a year. And I'm hoping, even with my sales right now, I may, it'll be pushing it, but I'm hoping to maybe hit 1 million in sales by the end of the year. If I really push in my products with Q4, if I can get enough inventory to really push, then I think I can hit 1 million by the end of the year, especially with my second account. So that's basically my long-term goal. Is I want to sell on Amazon as long as I can. I'm going to ride this wave. It's basically a money printing machine, in my opinion. So if you guys are kind of in that stage of, do I start? Is it too late? Just get started. I'm going to show you guys, I'm starting a second account, and I'm going to start that thing from scratch, and I'm going to show you that it's possible to really grow an account and with zero history. And I'm going to show you that it's possible. Okay, so don't think that it's too late. Don't think it's too competitive. Yeah, obviously things have changed, but that's why I have the channel. That's why I have my mentorship. That's why I have my course, to teach you every single step of the way, so that you don't have to make these mistakes, and you don't have to be as concerned of, oh, is this product going to do well or not? And the reality is if the products don't do good, it's not the end of the world. You can pick yourself up and launch another one. And that's kind of the mindset that you have to have is, hey, I'm gonna win some, I'm gonna lose some, but I'm never going to quit, and I'm just gonna keep going. So that's my strategy, and that's my FBA business. That's kind of an inside look. I like doing things like this just to be as transparent and as open as possible. I want you guys to know that I'm a current FBA seller. This is what I do full time, and it's very important for me to show that to you, because I've said this a bunch. There's too many people out that don't sell on Amazon, yet they're teaching how to sell on Amazon. So be careful. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and make sure to join the Amazon Champion Facebook group. It's completely free. And also, if you guys are interested in learning from me, I have that full A to Z course as well, taking you through each step of the Amazon FBA process. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a short one. I know it's a little bit different, but I just wanted to give you guys an inside look and answer a few of the questions. And also, this is another question that I get is my manufacturers, how many manufacturers I have. So I have 5 products, and then I have variations on that. So I think it's like 12 different SKUs. And with that, I have a total of 5 different manufacturers, which is super nice. Though I could only have 4, but what I've done is I've separated the manufacturer just in case something happens to one. They've both worked great, and I could technically switch to just one, but I've had to. They've been awesome. I've been working with them for over a year now, and that is another key to success, is building those relationships. And that has helped me a ton get where I'm at right now, is really build the trust with my suppliers. I'm hoping to take a trip to China. That's another goal that I have, is either here in the next couple months go to China, or this next year, 2020, I'd love to go to China, talk to my manufacturers, source some new products, and I'd love to do that. I love the entire process of Amazon FBA, and I know that as you guys start, and as you start getting your first sale, I was talking to one of my students, and she was talking about how it was crazy seeing how she was selling products all over the world, all throughout the United States. And I said, and I responded, I was like, yeah, as soon as I got my first sale, I was just addicted. So I hope that's you guys. I hope you guys are passionate about what you do, and I hope you guys enjoy the process. It has literally changed my life, and I'd love to help you through the process as well. So again, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.